If your hot tub stops heating in the winter, you need to take action quickly to protect your spa until a technician can visit. In this video, we'll show you how to protect your equipment and piping from freezing. Start by getting a 15 amp ceramic space heater with a thermostat. This type of portable heater is available at most big box stores. Remove both corner panels and then the front panel. Carefully roll back the thermal wrap to access your piping and equipment. Turn the heater on to 50% and safely insert it under the hot tub cabinet. Position it so that the hot air circulates underneath the thermal wrap. Make sure that the front of the heater is not directly touching any wires, insulation, or anything else inside of your tub. Your heater may have a tilt protection switch on it, so make sure to verify that your heater is on after placing it inside the tub. Reinstall the panels and keep your hot tub cover closed to conserve heat. Monitor the ambient temperature under the cabinet regularly, and adjust your space heater accordingly to keep it above freezing temperature.